Welcome everybody, and today we'll discuss about section 194N. Yes, this is a new section which is introduced and actually a very big initiative by government to track the movement of cash. In simple language, cash transactions. So how it happens, how it works, what is the purpose, everything we'll understand in few minutes. So listen to the video till the end. So let me start with the story. One of my clients, Ramu, came to me and said, Ganesh sir, I have withdrawn 1.5 crores from the bank and bank did not give me 1.5 crores. But they gave me just 1 crore 47 lakhs. What is this? When I asked my bank, they are saying tax hai babu, tax hai Ramu, and I am confused. Till now, from last so many years, I am withdrawing crores of rupees cash. Bank never said that tax hai babu, but now they are saying that this is tax. I am not understanding. So can you help me? Then I said, Ramuji, you sit with me. I'll tell you. Actually, there is a section called as 194N. This section is applicable to a banking company. Bank means like State Bank of India, Bank of Baroda, Union Bank, Kotak Bank, right? Kotak Mahindra Bank, HDFC, any banking company, which is actually registered under the Banking Regulations Act 1949. Oh, this section is applicable to all banks. Yes. And not only that, but banking institutions also are covered. Then there are cooperative societies like Telangana Gramina Bank, like uh, there are Deccan Gramina Bank. So these Gramina banks are there, na? Or the cooperative banks are there, Sahakari Bank, right? Those cooperative societies engaged in banking business. So I am not talking about all cooperative societies. I am only talking about those cooperative societies which are engaged in the business of banking. Like cooperative societies may be engaged in housing business, may be engaged in agriculture business. For them, this 194N will not apply. Only for those cooperative societies engaged in banking business, this section will apply. Third point, it also applies to post offices. Now Ramu asked, Sir, but meri baat, wait Ramu, just listen for 5 minutes, you'll understand everything. So to whom this section applies 194N? To banking companies, to cooperative societies engaged in banking business, and to also post offices. Okay. Now what this section says, if you withdraw in one financial year, or in income tax language, in one previous year, if you withdraw more than 1 crore rupees. Yes, I did. Wait, listen. So more than 1 crore you withdraw. Then the bank is supposed to deduct 2% TDS. Oh, more than 1 crore. If I withdraw on the entire amount, 2% TDS. That's why 1 crore 50 lakhs I have withdrawn. On that, 2% comes to 3 lakhs. So bank collected 3 lakhs tax, and from 1 crore 50 lakhs minus 3 lakhs, 1 crore 47 lakhs, they gave it to me. Absolutely right. You understood it perfectly. So this is what the section is. But the point is, if you are a defaulter. Now what is defaulter? I'll tell you later on. For them, 20 lakhs is the limit. That means if the defaulter withdraws the money more than 20 lakhs, then TDS will be deducted under 194N. Now, sir, I'll act smart. I'll withdraw some amount from this bank, some amount from that bank, some amount from third bank, some amount for fourth bank. अब क्या कर लेगा गवर्नमेंट? देखो, all bank accounts are connected through your PAN number. So you cannot say that what will the bank do? All the banks are interconnected and they will have a track that how much you withdrawn. If it exceeds 1 crore rupees, then definitely the bank which will issue you money beyond 1 crore will definitely, or give you cash more than 1 crore, will definitely deduct the tax. So you cannot escape by saying that I will withdraw 20 lakhs from HDFC, 30 lakhs from Axis, 20 lakhs from Canara Bank, 20 lakhs from SBI, 10 lakhs from IndusInd Bank, something like that you do, and you can escape, no chance. So from all the bank accounts together, if any person withdraws more than 1 crore rupees, then definitely TDS under 194N applies. And if the assessee is defaulter, definitely if it is more than 20 lakhs withdrawal in cash, TDS will be deducted. But sir, when the TDS should be deducted? The answer is at the time of payment. So when the payment is made, cash withdrawal is done by the Ramu, right, in our example, at that time they will deduct the TDS. So when Ramu went to withdraw 1.5 crores, then bank said, okay, you take 1 crore 47 lakhs and 3 lakhs is TDS. So at the time of payment, they will deduct the TDS. But sir, in the year, I will withdraw the money in different lots. Then government said, no, you may do, you can withdraw the money, but on the aggregate amount they will check, right? On the aggregate amount, total amount. So maybe in April you withdrawn 20 lakhs, May you withdrawn 30 lakhs, June you withdrawn 50 lakhs, August you withdrawn 70 lakhs. All that together they will check, and if 1 crore is crossed, immediately TDS will be deducted at the time of payment. Oh, is it? But how much is the rate? I'll tell you now. Listen carefully. The rate of TDS varies. Suppose you are a defaulter. Now I'll tell you the meaning of defaulter now. Current previous year you have to keep in mind. Right? Once the previous year is fixed in your mind, immediately before the previous year, last 3 assessment years we should check. If in the last 3 assessment years you did not file the return, so those people who did not file the return in last 3 assessment years, yes, for them 1 crore is not the limit. For them, once they exceed 20 lakhs withdrawal, TDS has to be deducted. Okay, so those who did not file return in the last 3 years, 3 assessment years, till the last date, also the last due date for filing returns, or we can say late return also we can file. But even you did not file the late return, so last 3 assessment year you did not file the return at all. Now such assessees are called as defaulters, and for them what is the limit? 20 lakhs. If 20 lakhs is crossed, cash withdrawal from bank, post office or cooperative society engaged in banking business, if 20 lakhs is crossed, then TDS should be deducted at the rate 2%. 20 lakhs crossed, 2%? Yes. Up to 1 crore is there, then only 2%. So more than 20 lakhs withdrawal, but up to 1 crore withdrawal, 2% is the rate of TDS. 2% is the rate of TDS. But if it exceeds more than 1 crore, then 5% is the rate of TDS. I am talking about defaulter. Please keep in mind. Okay. So for defaulters, if the cash withdrawal exceeds 20 lakhs, but not exceeds 1 crore, 2% is the rate of TDS. But if withdrawal of cash exceeds 1 crore, definitely 5% TDS will be attracted. But I am a decent taxpayer, I am filing returns on time, then you come under other cases. For you, if the amount exceeds 1 crore, total cash withdrawal in a year, total cash withdrawals in the previous year from all the accounts together exceed 1 crore, then 2% is the rate of TDS. So for defaulters, TDS rates are different. For non-defaulters, TDS rates is 2%. Okay. So again repeating, listen carefully. Rate of TDS. Simple. Are you a defaulter? You did not file the return in the last 3 assessment years? If the answer is yes, your cash withdrawals exceed 20 lakhs but not exceed 1 crore, 2% TDS. Exceeds 1 crore, then 5% TDS. But if you are not a defaulter, then only one condition: exceeds 1 crore cash withdrawal, TDS has to be deducted at the rate 2%. That's it. But sir, if suppose from the bank, government withdraws the cash, so will bank deduct the TDS for government also? The answer is no. For that, exemptions topic come. See the topic. If government withdraws the money, if banking company, bank withdraws the money, cooperative society engaged in banking business that withdraws the money, or post office withdraws the money, or a business correspondent. In rural areas, basically banks cannot set up a branch in every village, correct? So they appoint a person, individual, called as business correspondent. He will take care of banking activities for that particular village. If business correspondent withdraws the cash, or government under the Payment and Settlement Systems Act 2007 gave the power to create white labeled automatic teller machines. Basically, these are private companies, these are non-banking companies, but they only set up ATM machines at different locations, and they collect money from banks, right? They take cash from banks, keep the money in these ATMs, and then finally people will withdraw, and on that whatever charges are there, through that this white labeled ATM operators earn the money. So if they withdraw the cash also, no TDS. I said if government withdraws, bank withdraws, cooperative society engaged in banking business withdraws, or post office withdraws, or if there is business correspondent withdraws, white labeled automatic teller machine operators withdraw as per the Payment and Settlement Systems Act 2007, right? No TDS. But they gave 2 more points which actually talk about notification by the government, correct? Those persons notified by government, who are they? I'll tell you. White labeled automatic teller machine, I said, okay. But they may also have cash replenishment agents. Cash dispersal karna hai na, one place to another, so cash replenishment agents. Or they may have franchisee agents. These people also withdraw cash, right? Or there may be some commission agents or traders who are registered with Agriculture Produce Market Committee. I said they are registered with Agriculture Produce Market Committee. Who? Commission agents or traders. Okay. These commission agents and traders can withdraw cash from the bank more than 1 crore only to purchase agricultural produce, right? For that purpose they will also be allowed. No TDS will be deducted, okay. And those who are full-fledged money changers, or we can say those who are franchisee agents of these people, or those who are authorized dealers, or those who are franchisee agents, sub agents. Now I am telling something, you are totally confused, I know. Suppose you our friend came from America to India. Now he has lot of dollars with him, but no Indian currency. He'll go to Western Union money transfer and he will transfer the dollars to them and take cash from them. So Western Union does all these type of things, and there are many organizations who are engaged in foreign exchange. So they will take dollar, they will take euros, they will take rubles, they will take dinars, whatever, and they will give Indian rupee. Now they have to deal with heavy amount of cash, correct? And for them also government said exemption. So who are they? Authorized dealers. So when I talk about authorized dealers, you should remember Western Union money transfer, or their franchise agents, or their sub agents, or we can say full-fledged money changers, or their sub agents. These are the people who are actually exempted from withdrawing cash. That means they can withdraw cash, but bank will not deduct TDS even if the amount exceeds more than 1 crore. So if government withdraws, banking company withdraws, cooperative society engaged in banking business withdraws, post office withdraws, white labeled automatic teller machine operators, or their cash replenishment agent, franchisee agents, or we can say business correspondents of the banks in rural areas, or we can say that the commission agents or traders of who are registered under the agriculture produce market committees withdraw cash for purchase of agricultural produce, or we can say those who are dealing in foreign exchange like full-fledged money changers, authorized dealers, they withdraw cash from banks more than 1 crore. They are can withdraw the money, but no TDS will be deducted. Clear to all of you? Right. Now you may ask a last question to me. We are coming to the end of this video. You will say, sir, but TDS is deducted when you earn income, correct? When I earn income, then TDS is deducted. But here I am just withdrawing the money. So that's why they gave in other points that if you are the bank is deducting the TDS, or cooperative society, post office deducting TDS under section 194N, it does not mean that the withdrawal is your income. It does not mean that the withdrawal is your income. So this way we try to complete the video. I feel you understood the entire content. So stay connected on all the platforms so that you can get lot of information, lot of updates on such taxation related matters, GST related matters, law related matters, and we are coming with lot and lot for you. So stay connected and thanks for watching.